Imagine standing atop the Great Wall of China, feeling the breeze on a secluded Thai beach, or marveling at Dubai's skyscrapers. What if I told you that you could experience all this and more? Welcome to the ultimate guide to Asia's best travel destinations. Asia is not just a continent, it's a tapestry of experiences, cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. In today's video, we're diving deep into 15 Asia's most captivating countries. From bustling cities and cultural landmarks to hidden gems and tropical paradises, we've got it all covered. Get ready to redefine your travel bucket list. Grab your virtual passports, it's time to embark on this journey. Thailand. Let's kick off our journey in Thailand, a land where ancient and modern coalesce in a vibrant tapestry. Imagine wandering through the ruins of Ayutthaya one day, and taking a tuk-tuk ride through the bustling streets of Bangkok the next. From the serene beaches of Koh Samui to the mountainous landscapes of Chiang Mai, Thailand offers a diverse range of experiences. Whether you're diving in the Andaman Sea or tasting the intricate flavors of Thai cuisine, Thailand is a destination that caters to every kind of traveler. United Arab Emirates. Next, we jet off to the United Arab Emirates, a country synonymous with luxury and innovation. Picture yourself at the top of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, overlooking a city that has risen from the desert sands in just a few decades. From the opulent Emirates Palace in Abu Dhabi to the adventure-filled dunes of the Arabian Desert, the UAE offers a blend of modernity and tradition that is truly unique. Singapore. From the desert, we move to the city-state of Singapore, an epitome of modern urban planning. Imagine a place where you can explore a rainforest in the morning, dine in a Michelin-starred restaurant for lunch, and watch a stunning light show in a futuristic garden by evening. Singapore's multicultural fabric adds layers of complexity to its culinary scene and cultural landmarks, making it a must-visit destination. Malaysia. Let's hop over to Malaysia, a country that's as diverse as it is beautiful. From the cosmopolitan allure of Kuala Lumpur to the pristine beaches of Langkawi, Malaysia offers a wide range of experiences. Explore the UNESCO-listed Georgetown, hike through the ancient rainforests of Borneo, or simply indulge in the country's diverse culinary offerings. Malaysia is a melting pot of cultures, and it shows in every aspect of its character. Japan. Now, let's take a flight to Japan, a country where tradition and modernity exist in perfect harmony. Picture yourself walking amidst cherry blossoms in Kyoto, taking a high-speed Shinkansen bullet train to Tokyo, and then diving into the city's futuristic architecture and pop culture. Whether you're savoring sushi in Osaka or skiing in Hokkaido, Japan offers a range of experiences that are as diverse as they are deeply rooted in tradition. Turkey. Next, we find ourselves in Turkey, a country that straddles two continents and countless civilizations. Imagine walking through the ancient ruins of Ephesus one day, and sailing on the Bosphorus the next. From the fairy tale chimneys of Cappadocia to the bustling bazaars of Istanbul, Turkey offers a rich tapestry of history and culture. Whether you're soaking in a traditional Turkish bath or tasting the myriad flavors of Turkish cuisine, this country is a feast for the senses. Macau. From Turkey, we jet off to Macau, often dubbed the Vegas of Asia. But there's more to this destination than its glittering casinos. Picture yourself strolling through the historic center of Macau, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a fascinating blend of Portuguese and Chinese cultures. From the ruins of St. Paul's to the Ma Temple, Macau's rich history is just as compelling as its modern-day glamour. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. India. Next, we touch down in India, a country that's as diverse as it is vast. Imagine watching the sunrise over the Himalayas, exploring the intricate architecture of Mughal forts, and sailing on the tranquil backwaters of Kerala. From the bustling markets of Delhi to the serene temples of Varanasi, India offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that promise to captivate your soul. Taiwan. Let's take a short flight to Taiwan, an island nation that's a hidden gem in East Asia. Picture yourself hiking through the breathtaking Taroko Gorge, enjoying the vibrant street food scene in Taipei, and relaxing in the hot springs of Baitao. Taiwan offers a unique blend of natural beauty and modern convenience, making it an underrated but must-visit destination. Indonesia. From Taiwan, we head to Indonesia, an archipelago that offers more than just Bali. Imagine diving in the crystal-clear waters of Raja Ampat, exploring ancient temples in Java, and trekking to see the sunrise over Mount Bromo. Whether you're an adventurer, a culture enthusiast, or simply looking to relax on pristine beaches, Indonesia offers a diverse range of experiences. Saudi Arabia. Our next stop is Saudi Arabia, a country that's recently opened its doors to tourists. Picture yourself exploring the ancient Nabatean city of Al Ula, diving in the Red Sea's untouched coral reefs, or experiencing the spiritual journey of a lifetime in Mecca. Saudi Arabia offers a blend of ancient history and modern luxury, making it a new frontier in travel. South Korea. Let's jet off to South Korea, a country where modern skyscrapers and ancient palaces coexist. Imagine shopping for the latest K-fashion in Seoul, hiking in the scenic Seoraksan National Park, and tasting authentic Korean barbecue in a traditional Hanok village. South Korea offers a unique blend of the old and the new, making it a must-visit destination. China. Our next destination is China, a country that's as vast as it is diverse. Picture yourself walking on the Great Wall, cruising down the Yangtze River, and exploring the ancient Silk Road cities. From the bustling metropolis of Shanghai to the tranquil landscapes of Guilin, China offers a travel experience like no other. Vietnam. Next, let's explore Vietnam, a country that's rich in history and natural beauty. Imagine sailing through the limestone karsts of Halong Bay, exploring the ancient town of Hoin, and navigating the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City on a Vespa. Whether you're into history, cuisine, or adventure, Vietnam has something for everyone. Cambodia. Before we conclude, let's not forget Cambodia, a country that's home to one of the world's most awe-inspiring architectural wonders, Angkor Wat. But Cambodia is more than just its temples. Picture yourself cruising along the Mekong River, exploring the untouched islands of Koh Rong, and diving into the country's tumultuous history at the Killing Fields. From its ancient ruins to its vibrant cities like Phnom Penh and Siem Reap, Cambodia offers a rich tapestry of experiences that promise to leave a lasting impression. We've journeyed through 15 incredible countries, each offering its own unique slice of Asia. From the modern marvels of the United Arab Emirates to the ancient temples of Cambodia, we've explored a diverse range of experiences that are as enriching as they are unforgettable. If this video has ignited your wanderlust, then it's time to turn that inspiration into action. Start planning your ultimate Asian travel bucket list today and embark on the journey of a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For exclusive travel deals and detailed experiences, visit tripjive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.